Welcome back to Zehnders Snowfest, everyone. In this video, I'll be taking you around all of the snow and ice sculptures from all the areas where they do it here at Zehnders, the Bavarian Inn Restaurant, and the River Place. Starting here, this ice sculpture is very impressive. Schaefer and Beer Line celebrating 174 years. Here's a montage of all of the snow and ice sculptures around Zehnders. This tent here, they always have a theme going towards the ice sculptures, and this year it's SpongeBob. And on this Sunday morning, WNEM TV5 is getting ready to film on their ice desk. I came inside the basement of Zehnders to check out the merchandise. And this is what the shirts read on the front, and this is on the back. On the other side of Zehnders, there are more ice sculptures. Let me get you a few videos on those. Street from Zehnders are the Bavarian Inn snow sculptures. every year the Bavarian Inn side of the Snowfest has good snow sculptures. And after this, we're going to cross the covered bridge to check out the high school snow sculptures. Because it's much colder this year than the previous 2 years, there is no ice floating through the Cass River this year. It's all frozen over. So after crossing the bridge, the snow sculptures are in the distance. All right, here's a montage of the children's snow sculpting division. So I made my way back by the ice rink, and there were a few more ice sculptures that I have to show y'all.